When we first started talking online, I really didn't imagine it would lead to us standing on a mountaintop. Meeting you for the first time, I knew you were special, something different. You took the biggest leap of faith knowing me hardly at all. When I opened that car door, I was met with your beautiful smile, like I had known you my whole life.
Brad, standing here today on top of these breathtaking mountains, I am filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude and excitement. When we first met on the eve before Christmas Eve, you showed me a glimpse of what our life would be like together, and I also never looked back, and I never will.
You are fearless, spontaneous, full of life, but you're also so intentional, thoughtful, and caring for those you love. You show me how to live in the moment, find the best deals online, or the best live music, and say yes to experiences I'd never consider. I vow to be your partner in every wild plan to attend as many concerts as I can. I promise to laugh with you, explore with you, and build a life with stories worth telling. Thank you for choosing me to be a part of your adventure in life. I can't wait to see where we go together.
I choose you every day and every moment, and I am so incredibly blessed to be your wife, and I am so excited for the life we continue to build together.
Family, we are gathered here in the midst of a divided and broken world to witness the marriage of these two people who stand before you in love, in trust, and in hope. We will rejoice in their happiness, support them in trying times, and offer them patience when they make mistakes, just as they will for us and for each other.
Dear Sydney, here I sit the night before our wedding, alone in this room while our friends are having a riot. All I could think is how much I miss you. And it made me realize how you really are my other half.
Brad, today marks the 888th day that I have loved you. I can't believe this day that we have spent a year planning is finally here. The day we finally get to say I do and become husband and wife. You are my partner, my best friend, my person. Because of you, I have discovered the purest form of love. I could not be more honored to become your wife, and you are a dream I'd wish for in every lifetime.
The best part of my day was just you and I driving to this place. Your presence makes my life better. Simple as that.
I have no idea how I'm going to fit all my love for you in our time together in this life. Observing you has been inspiring. Being with you has been fulfilling, and loving you has been easy. I can't wait to continue doing life with you, my soon-to-be husband. Love, Sydney.